Alright, so I ordered the Nutrisystem package off of Amazon. It was 14 days of just lunches, breakfast, and snacks. This box, I ordered it on Friday. It was $114 from Amazon. Came in today, Sunday morning. It's a pretty big box, as you can see. So, I'm going to open it up and we'll see what we got. There's a description on the website of what should be in there. So we'll just double check to make sure. Trusty cheap knife. And got the Amazon box. There's a smaller Nutrisystem box. Yeah, it's a 14-day everyday weight loss kit. Very simple packaging. Our goal, my wife and I are going to split this and see if we like it before we sign up for the full system. Figured that was cheaper. I think it's around $300 something for the 1 month supply for a regular person. So we're going to do this week's spring break. So we're going to do breakfast, snack, and lunch. All with Nutrisystem, and then for dinner we're going to have either Chef or Blue Apron or something of that nature. Alright, so it's all kind of just thrown in here apparently. These smoky barbecue snack around chips. I got extra Nutrisystem after watching DJ Bishop's YouTube videos. They were pretty good. Salt and vinegar snack around, so he said he likes these chip things. Alright, here's the, so you can see the purple line says snack, orange line says breakfast, so this is granola cereal. It seems like a very small amount, not this much in here. Honey mustard pretzel bits, sounds pretty good. Another breakfast, maple brown sugar oatmeal. I love oatmeal, so hopefully I'll like that. Another granola cereal. Chocolate chip cookies. Surely that'll be good. Another oatmeal. Second pack of chocolate chip cookies. There we go. Cinnamon bun. Looking forward to trying that. You know it looks about that big, so maybe this bag looks pretty tiny. Now the cinnamon bun. Oh, this is a big guy. A double chocolate muffin. DJ Bishop said he did not like that, so we'll see how that goes. Another muffin. Second pack of smoky barbecue chips. Another snack, snickerdoodle cookie. This is my wife's favorite. She was giving me a big thumbs up. There's a little daily tracker. I'll look at this little board in a minute. A little packing bubble. That looks good. Coconut almond bar. That's another snack. Peanut butter granola bar breakfast. Chicken noodle soup. It's pretty tiny. Mother salt and vinegar snack around. Chocolate cake. Look at that. Another chocolate cake. Yeah, the chicken noodle soup. Apple cinnamon oatmeal. I like oatmeal. Blueberry muffin. Another blueberry muffin. Another bubble. Chocolate peanut butter bar. That's at lunch. So you're eating this little candy bar for lunch. That sounds filling. Another chocolate peanut butter bar. Peanut butter granola bar breakfast. We saw that one earlier. Another oatmeal. Chocolate almond bar. That's other snickerdoodle. There we go, cheese tortellini. That's probably pretty good, like a little Chef Boyardee looking thing. Second cheese tortellini. Keep in mind when I say pretty good, I don't expect this to be good. I'm just hoping it's not disgusting. 3 cheese chicken. So this does not look good to me, but I'll give it a shot. Obviously, it's weight loss food. It's not going to taste super great, but the goal is just not to be horrendous. 3 cheese chicken. Spicy Kung Pao noodles. Asian noodles, vegetables, and peanuts. I have not seen anyone eat this online. So, we'll see how that goes. Getting to the end of the box here. Oh, loaded potato. I think DJ Bishop liked these, so I'm looking forward to that. It's like a little mashed potato, instant mashed potatoes. Another potato. And spicy noodles. Our last 2 items are thick crust pizza for lunch. So, I think DJ Bishop liked this one too. Alright, let me pause it and I'll reorganize things. Alright, so you can see, well, it is tiny proportions. That is a lot of food for... I stacked them all on top of each other, so that's 7 days of breakfast and snacks and lunch. So what we're going to do later on is try to plan these things out. I'll add that to this video. Probably what my plan for my next day is going to be. For example, I don't want to eat a bar for breakfast, snack, and lunch. I want a bar for breakfast, and then chips for snack, and then a pizza for lunch, or something of that nature, right? So, it's a lot of food. I'm 6'1", 240. I'm pretty sure after a week of this, I'm going to lose about 25 pounds. That seems accurate. Not really. DJ Bishop said he lost 25 pounds after 41 days, I believe. So, like I said, I'm going to try these out. If I like these dry foods off of Amazon, I'll sign up for the real Nutrisystem package. I have a link to the Amazon pack in the description. Amazon had 3 different packs. One was $114 for 2 weeks, and then 2 different ones that were 5 days. One was $40 and one was $59, something like that. The $40 one, I think, didn't have the description on what the foods were. And I'll review the description of food to make sure it's right, and I'll add on the end of this video to see if it looks like there's anything different. I'm going to read this so I understand it, and then I'll go over it in the video as well. Alright, I went through here, made myself a little baggie for tomorrow. And we went ahead and pre-planned our week here. So for tomorrow, I'm going to have muffin, followed by a snack, and lunch, and then another snack. And I might have to go to the grocery store and get some vegetables and stuff. But at least for now, that'll do me for breakfast. I'm gonna have a slight spoonful of peanut butter. This book's a little different than the app as well, so it's a little confusing. I'm gonna go by the Noomi app, since in the app I put in my actual height and weight and goal weight and all that stuff, so I think it's a little more accurate than the book. But there's a lot of good information in this book. Alright, so my goal is to post a video every day. We'll see how it goes.